SAFX stock analysis and SAFX stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play, and it's the only guy in this space with 42,000 videos over 5 years that I've documented all. I've seen what's printing me money and what's making me money and what's not. Now, especially with this, I'm not a big fan because one, it's not the volatile, it's just kind of all over the place. Seems like it went for this high and it sort of failed to break it. I mean, for me to really be bullish, I would appreciate like a 325, 330 level full candle close above there. In the meantime, because it's a bearish market, the likelihood that it keeps going down is high. But the only thing that it's going to make me act or me take an action or sell, it's a bearish market, is a double break. And unless that happens, not selling. But what about buying, Mr. Sikro? Well, obviously, like I said, unless there's a big candle close above 330 or full, like some big catalyst, then I'm not buying. So I'll continue to keep you updated. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.